clavicle. So first of all, this is the anatomical position of the clavicle. So this end goes to the acromion process of the scapula. Okay, so first of all, this is the acromion end. Okay, this is the lateral 1/3 and this is the medial 2/3. Okay, so this is posterior, above, anterior, lateral and medial, and going like this. So this is the trapezoid ridge over here, and this is the subclavian groove. This is the impression of the costoclavicular ligament, and this is the coronoid tubercle. Okay, and so now the muscles attached. There are not much muscles in the clavicle, so basically this is the trapezius over here, and then it is the over here it is the sternocleidomastoid, and then going like this to the anterior end above. So here is the deltoid, the pectoralis major, the capsule of sternoclavicle joint over here. Then over here is the costoclavicular ligament, the sternohyoid muscle. Then over here is the trapezoid, and the conoid parts of the clavicular ligament, and there is the trapezius muscle. So basically goes here and here. Okay, so this much clavicle doesn't have much muscles attached. So this is about the clavicle, and yeah. So this is the left clavicle over here. This is the left clavicle. So this goes inside this part, the acromion process of the left scapula. So basically it goes like this. Yeah. The right and the left. Yeah. This is the right clavicle, and this is the left clavicle. So that much about the clavicle. The next topic we're going to talk about is the palm of the hand. So yeah, basically the palm has carpals, metacarpals, phalanges. So these are the carpals, metacarpals and the phalanges. Okay, so this is the first, second, third, fourth, fifth digit. As you know, it's very easy, it's not much. So talking about the carpal bones, there are a total of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So as you can see, there are 7. So in total 7 carpal bones, 7 carpals, 5 metacarpals, and yeah, and 2, 4, 6, and 7 phalanges. So basically, so the names of the bones you have to remember. So the first is the hamate, this is the pisiform, this is the tricuspid, this is the lunate, this is the trapezium, this is the trapezoid, this is the trapezoid, this is the this is the capitate, this is the trapezoid, this is trapezoid, and over here is the trapezium, and this is the scaphoid. This is the right hand. So this is the carpal bones over here, and then going towards the some metacarpals only 5. So there's not much bones in the hand. So the attachments on the hand are basically the flexor, carpi, adductor pollicis longus, then fourth palmar interosseous, then extensor carpi ulnaris over here. Then not much. So guys, that is for today. If you liked the video, do leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and as well as share it with how much ever is possible, so that Yeah, and do subscribe as well. Share as much with your friends, families, relatives, yeah, as possible. So thank you guys. Love you. Stay healthy. Stay safe. Goodbye.